Hello kids, hello everyone. Now see here, in our last class, that is the last video we have seen here. Okay, so we have seen the va and va. Now see here, after the t, that is a T letter, U is a vowel which is been included each and every sound here. That's why we have not used here vowels. We have used the next letter, that is consonant letter V and W. V and W. Again, I will revise it for you, but little fast. See, ba, be, bi, bo, ba, ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. Then, da, de, di, do, da, fa, fe, fi, fo, fa, ga, ge, gi, go, ga, ha, he, hi, ho, ha, ja, je, ji, jo, ja. Like this, you also need to revise it. You can see, like you can watch the video, see the sounds, understand the sounds, and you also try to revise the sounds. So it will be very easy and helpful for you to accustom with any language. See, ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. And the next one, moving back to the next letter, L. La, le, li, lo, la. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Na, ne, ni, no, na. Pa, pe, pi, po, pa. Then this one, qua, qui, qua, ra, re, ri, ro, ra, sa, se, si, so, sa, ta, te, ti, to, ta. And then we have seen this one in our last class. That is va, ve, vi, vo, va. Va, ve, vi, vo, va. Right? Now today we will see these two, that is X letter sound as well as the Y letter sound. X letter, Y letter. See here children, X will not come here, right? It will not look good. See, X, if I write here X, okay, if I write here X and this is A. Okay, A is a vowel and hence I have marked here like this. So, if X I have written here, will it be good? No, right? It will look little odd. So, see here, that's why it's been written in this side. X, 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 X. Ox, 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 ox. So here the alphabet will be wrote or written down here. Okay, here. Okay. Ux, 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 ux. I hope you are able to recognize or think what I am saying. See here, in this A is here, right? A is a vowel which is here. Va. So we are writing the other letters, that is we are forming the other letters after the vowel, after any vowel. Here too the vowel is here, so we will write any letter or letters here. Okay? See. For an example, I will give you. See, axe, wax. Suppose wax is there. So, write here W. This is just for your understanding. W-A-X. Wax. X. So, write here R. R. R-X. Rex. Then Sir. Sir-X. Six. Sir-X. Six. Then B-Ox. Box. B-Ox. Box. Then Ux. For Ux you can write here Lux. Lux is a soap, right? Lux. Lux. See again I will make you understand here first. Wax. Wax. Read the same. Wax. Wax. R-X. Rex. R-X. Rex. I'm just showing you how the words will be formed. Okay. Now you can write here also. Okay. You can add here also. Add here also, but only a letter should be added here before the vowel. X, 6. 16. So we can add here, right? 16 we can add here too. 16. See. 16. Rexon we can add here too. Wax. Box. Boxers. Okay. waxes, we can add here, right? Okay, we can add here, right? Like this, lux, lux, luxus for an example. Okay, so you can add here also. Only the thing is you need to add here or alphabet. It's just for your understanding the words, how the words is being pronounced. Okay, axe, axe. So repeat this one, only the one, this one. Axe, axe. X, x. X, x. Ox, ox. Ox, ox. Wax, wax. Rex, rex. Six, six. Box, box. Lux, lux. Again see. Wax, wax. Rex, rex. Six, six. Box, box. Lux, lux. Similarly, axe, x, x, ox, ox. Now come to the next letter. That is the Y letter. Y letter. Yeah. This is simple for you. Yeah. Yap. Yeah. Yet. 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 Ip. 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 Yo. Yo yo. Yo yo. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Read only this one. Yeah. Yay. E. Yo. Yeah. Again I will read this one for you. X letter. Axe. Axe. X. 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 Ox. 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 Yeah. Yay. E. Yo. Yeah.